Hey everyone, today I will show you how to get verified on Threads, and here's how it is done. Understand the verification process. Threads and Instagram are linked, so if you are verified on Instagram, you'll be automatically verified on Threads. Open Instagram. Since verification isn't handled directly in Threads, launch the Instagram app. Access Meta Verified. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Select the three-line menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Meta Verified. Sign up for verification. Tap Next, and then select the Sign Up button. Review the details, including the subscription cost, $14.99 per month. Payment. Once you subscribe, you'll receive the blue check mark on both Instagram and Threads. And that is everything you need to know about how to get verified on Threads. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.